Southwest Airlines. Welcome to Baltimore. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, seat backs and tray tables in the full upright lock position, and all of your carry-on items stowed until we have reached the gate, and the captain turns off that fasten seatbelt sign. Use caution opening the overhead bins, as items may have shifted during the flight, and they could fall out. You may now use your cell phones, but only if they are within arm's reach. As again, we do need you to leave all of your carry-on items stowed and keep those seatbelts fastened. If you are connecting here in Baltimore to another Southwest Airlines flight, double check the TV monitors up in the gate area for your flight and gate number. And if you are continuing on with us to Raleigh-Durham, we do ask that you remain in the seat you're in right now. Let all the local passengers deplane. We do have to get an accurate through count before we can start that next boarding process. So if you are going with us, flight 6485 to Raleigh-Durham, please stay in that seat once we have that count. We'll make an announcement, and at that time you'll be able to stand up, move around, or use the lavatories if needed. Also, folks, keep in mind the front and back doors will be open for ground servicing while we're in the gate. Use caution if you're in the front or the back. Keep an eye out for any children that you may have with you. We do thank you for joining us here today. Thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines. Hope you all go out and have a good rest of the day, and welcome to Baltimore.